Choosing the right product from the market is a hectic job, but don't worry, we've made the task easier by preparing the list of the best ones ready for you. If you want to know more about these models, then click on the links given in the description. Now let's not waste any more time and get started with the video.
Our mobile technology enables us to be always on, whether for work or entertainment purposes, and that's why it's crucial to invest in the best wireless routers. However, it's vital to guarantee that your business and personal data are protected at all times by ensuring that the router you use is also one of the best secure routers.
Moving forward, we have a great option that gives you excellent value for money.
The NETGEAR Nighthawk R7000. NETGEAR's Nighthawk AC1900 Wi-Fi router offers extra features you won't see on every router, including dynamic QoS. The AC1900 prioritizes bandwidth by monitoring which applications require the most signal in real time. Setup is a pinch, and your router should be ready to use within 5 minutes of unboxing. Parental controls, OpenVPN, and web filtering levels are some of the router's security features that support both 600 megabytes per second and 1300 megabytes per second on its two bands. The Nighthawk router utilizes beamforming plus technology, meaning that unlike omnidirectional Wi-Fi, which fans the signal out within a range, it communicates directly with devices such as tablets or smartphones and beams a signal specifically to the device. This reduces interference and provides stronger, faster, and more reliable connections. The router also supports both Google Voice Assistant and Amazon's Alexa for added functionality. Further, the NETGEAR Genie provides a personal dashboard to monitor, control, and repair your home network.
This next model provides the best performance on the list. Check this out if you don't want to compromise the performance in any way.
The TP-LINK Archer A20. Enhance your home Wi-Fi network's speed, coverage, and reliability by putting the Archer A20 AC4000 wireless tri-band gigabyte router from TP-LINK at its center. Featuring 6 powerful antennas and beamforming for far-reaching range, this router uses Nitro QAM technology to boost Wi-Fi speeds across the 2 GHz and dual 5 GHz signal bands to deliver a total throughput of up to 4,000 megabytes per second. With 3 wireless bands using MU-MIMO technology to simultaneously communicate with multiple devices and a Smart Connect feature that automatically switches to the most efficient band, you'll have reliable and fast Wi-Fi for streaming 4K video, playing online games, and more. 4 GB Ethernet ports are available for connecting computers, video game consoles, printers, and other wired devices. With link aggregation, you can also combine 2 Ethernet ports with compatible NAS devices to double the wired transfer speed. You can also plug external storage devices into its USB ports to quickly share files across the network.
If you're looking for a suitable model for smaller spaces, then you should undoubtedly check out this next one.
Amazon's ERO Mesh. Available as a single, 2-pack, or 3-pack, ERO recommends 1 unit per 1,000 square feet of coverage required for your home Wi-Fi system. The router offers support for MU-MIMO technology and provides a security update to be initiated from the cloud whenever a network vulnerability is detected. You can overhaul your entire network with the Wi-Fi system from ERO. The ERO system features enhanced range and improved connectivity thanks to True Mesh technology, which intelligently manages network traffic between the router and each beacon. With this technology, users can receive gigabyte speeds along with wireless AC connectivity designed to support bandwidth-intensive tasks, such as streaming multimedia content, downloading large files, and more. To keep things secure, the ERO uses WPA2 encryption and receives automatic security updates to ensure your network is safe from the latest threats. Once configured, the ERO app lets you keep tabs on your system with the ability to see connected devices, run speed tests, create user profiles, and more.
Up next, we have this fantastic model, which can be an excellent pick for anybody.
The LinksysWRT 3200 ACM. The WRT 3200 ACM from Linksys features MU-MIMO technology, which allows for fast internet speeds across many devices simultaneously. The Tri-Steam 160 technology doubles the bandwidth on the 5 GHz band and pushes the speed up to a crazy 2.6 GB per second. The router features 4 detachable external antennas, 4 GB Ethernet ports, 1 eSATA port, 1 USB 2.0 port, and 1 USB 3.0 port. The 4 upgradable antennas provide expansive wireless networking connectivity, while the 4 GB Ethernet ports ensure a fast, reliable, wired networking option. Additionally, the integrated eSATA port and USB ports make it simple to attach peripherals such as external hard drives. For enhanced networking functionality, the WRT 3200 ACM comes equipped with smart Wi-Fi software, giving you the ability to monitor nearly every aspect of your network. Whether on a PC or mobile device, you can watch your network, set parental controls, restrict network access, and more.
If comfort is critical to you, then you'd love this next model. It's one of the most comfortable models out there.
The Asus GT AC5300. Designed with gamers in mind, the ROG GT AC5300 wireless tri-band gigabit router from Asus features a variety of optimizations to enhance network connectivity, increase stability, and boost overall network performance. You can take advantage of optimized gaming ports that prioritize gaming traffic, while the gamer's private network allows us to connect to private game servers to enhance network performance. If that's not enough, the GT AC5300 features enhanced network security complete with its intrusion prevention system backed by Trend Micro technology. The router also comes with a plethora of connectivity options, including support for the 802.11 AC Wi-Fi network standard. Users can connect to the 2.4 GHz frequency or the two 5 GHz frequencies for optimal performance. Asus further offers enhanced wireless transfer rates of up to 5,300 megabytes per second for lag-free gaming with this secure router. Alongside with the Ethernet ports, you can also get 2 USB 3.0 ports for connecting peripherals, such as hard drives, directly to the network.
Coming up next, we have a versatile model for you. Let's see more into it.
The NETGEAR Nighthawk AX8. The Nighthawk AX8 Wi-Fi router from NETGEAR supports Wi-Fi 6, a wireless standard that allows for faster Wi-Fi speeds, simultaneous upload, and download streams. Equipped with 4 internal antennas, 5 Ethernet LAN ports, 1 Ethernet WAN port, and a pair of USB Type-A ports, the Nighthawk AX8 supports OFDMA and multi-user MIMO to deliver faster and more reliable Wi-Fi connections. The router also boasts a Smart Connect feature that selects the best Wi-Fi band for your devices, allowing for a single network name for wireless bands and voice control via Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. OFDMA allows for efficient data transmission for up to 8 devices at the same time. This router is further designed to double the speeds offered by 80 MHz wireless channels to provide gigabyte speeds for compatible mobile devices and laptops. You can connect more wired devices for faster file transfer and uninterrupted connections as well.
If you don't get your money's worth, there's no point in purchasing the costly models. Well, buddy, the next product on this list gives you the best value for your bucks spent today.
The Asus RT AC88U. The Asus RT AC88U tops the list as it is the most popular router out there. Capable of 2100 megabytes per second on 5 GHz and 1000 megabytes per second on 2.4 GHz, this router offers signal coverage of 5,000 square feet. The MU-MIMO technology helps maintain signal strength when multiple users are connected at once. When ultra-fast Wi-Fi is a must, this dual-band wireless router from Asus does not disappoint. On its outside, you will find 4 adjustable antennas featuring AI radar beamforming technology supporting a transmission distance of up to 5,400 square feet. With beamforming technology, the wireless signal is beamed directly to the connected device for a more focused, more reliable connection. This Asus router not only transmits the signals to your devices, but it also can support more devices without slowing down. If a wired connection is what you desire, you can connect to any of the 4 gigabit Ethernet ports as well.
If you've watched this far, I'm sure you'll love this channel. So hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.